Hi everybody, it's Susan from Sunrise Quilt Studio. In this video I am testing some new lighting for the studio, and all of this came about from my last long arm video when we started a conversation in the comments of the studio lighting and ways to improve it. So I appreciate all those comments. They gave me some good suggestions, and I followed through and I bought a professional lighting kit, and I now have lights coming from all different directions. Now in this video I've done 3 different setups with the lighting. They're each a little bit different, and I'd like you to watch these and tell me which one you think is the best. And if you think it still needs some improvement, please let me know, and because there are a few things that I can do yet to improve things. And it has to do with the brightness of the bulbs. I can get more wattage, bulbs with higher wattage, and I can change. These are daylight bulbs in the professional kit. My side light has a warm light in it, and that may need to be changed into a white light. So there are a couple things that I can still do to improve things. So I hope you will watch this and vote 1, 2, or 3. There's 3 different setups. So which one do you think works the best? And if I need to increase the lighting, then I can change the bulbs. So I hope you will look at this video and let me know what you think, and just put it in the comments below. So I am almost done with this quilt. I have 2 full blocks, and then I have half of 2 other blocks, like the lower half of 2 blocks here. And then I have the corners, the corner triangles, and 2 setting triangles at the bottom. So I'm getting there. Anyway, I'm going to quilt a little bit and go ahead and post this to see, you know, what you all think if this was better or not. So I'm going to go ahead and quilt, and I'll play some music in the background. Okay, well, those were the 3 different setups that I was working with this weekend, and I hope one of them is a little bit better. Just let me know which one that you think is the best, and if I need to still increase the lighting. I really can't add any more lights because there's just no room. All my floor space is taken up, and I'm already kind of cocooned with all of these lights. I now have you know, my overhead lights. I've got lights coming from the sides, and I've got them real close to where I'm quilting. So I'm struggling to have elbow room to quilt as it is. So I can't add any more lights, but hopefully one of these setups shows the quilting better. If it still needs more light, then I just need to go with stronger bulbs. So let me know what you think, and I appreciate your input, and I hope you're all staying safe and healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. For more quilting ideas, click on the video links, and to keep up with my latest projects, click on the subscribe button. I hope to see you again soon.